So, can those words we talked about in the previous lesson be used in progressive tenses? Sure, some of them can, but only those that have several different meanings, which is often the case in English, or those that express a temporary reaction. For example, think has two different meanings. One is consider or believe, as in, I think you are naive, or he thinks she likes him. In such context, think is not used in progressive tenses. But this word also means create thoughts in your head, or to analyze, as in, hey, what are you thinking about? I am thinking about our marriage next week and honeymoon in Haiti. In such context, think can be used in either simple or progressive tenses. The verb have has several meanings. One of them is possess, which does not express any progressive ongoing action, so we never use it in progressive tenses. For example, I have the coolest dad in the world. Or he has a Rolls Royce. But have also means to eat, to drink, to organize, and to experience. Those meanings can express a progressive, ongoing action. For example, I don't want to be disturbed while I'm having dinner. Or I'm having a party tomorrow night. Would you like to come over? Meaning, I am throwing or organizing the party tomorrow night. I am having a very bad day. Meaning, I am experiencing at this moment a very bad day. Another verb, to weigh. It could show some static action that, by definition, can't imply a progressive action, as in, she weighs 100 pounds. But it also means putting something on the scale to measure its weight. In this context, weigh can be used in progressive tenses. For example, I am weighing the ingredients for pizza. You get the idea when a verb has several meanings, and some of those meanings can express a progressive, ongoing action. We can use progressive tenses. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons.